Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to upscale image quality online for free. So without further ado, let's start the video. As you can see, we are inside our Google Chrome, and just go to this website, I love img, that's image.com/upscale image. Just go to this website, and this will help you increase the resolution of your images, and you need to select the images. And for today's demonstration, I have a passport size photo of me that you can see I will be using to enhance. Now the AI system on this tool will definitely change the quality of this website. You can see on the screen, this is the actual image, this is how it looks. And if I just swipe this results, you can see the results here. This has added the quality to the image. So that's how you can upscale the image and add quality to your image. And you have a size multiplier here, so you have 2x, and I think 4x is paid, so this is more than enough. You can see the quality difference from this to this. And once you just adjust and see this, you can just click on upscale, and this will start upscaling the image, and it will allow you to download. Let me download this, and I'll open this for you. You can see the image quality is different, and it looks really good now. So that's how you do it. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.